forms: first person, second person, third person. First person singular, plural. Second person singular, plural. Third person singular, plural. What is first person? Who is this first person? Speaker. This is speaker. If the speaker is singular, now I am speaking. If the person, first person speaker, if the speaker is singular, I. If the speakers are plural, we. So first person singular, I. First person plural, we. Second person, the speaker speaks to listener, right? So second person singular. If I talk about one person, I tell, are you listening to me? So singular, you. Are you all listening to me? My dear audience, are you all listening to me? You. So second person, either singular or plural, you. Now the third person, this speaker is speaking to listener, maybe about male, that is he, or female, that is she, or neuter gender, it. Yes, what are neuter gender? What are neuter genders? Things. It is a pen. So the speaker is speaking about a pen to the listener. So it is the third person. So it is, this pen is neither she or he. So neuter gender, it. When it is plural, they. Clear? Now, how many subjects do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 subjects. Not English, Maths, Science, Social. Right? What is subject? Doer of the action is called subject. Now, here, based on the subject, we are supposed to choose verbs. How? For suppose, do family. I mean, do, does, did. One thing is very clear. When we talk about past, no matter whatever the subject it is, we can pick did. Like how reservation will be in seats in restaurants, you can find reservation, right? Tables will be reserved, particular tables in restaurants. In any meetings, VIPs will be reserved. The seats will be reserved for VIPs. So likewise, did. So I did, we did, you did, he did, she did, it did, they did. Whatever the subject is, if the action, if we are talking about past one, so we have to pick did. So no confusion when we talk about past. Only the confusion arises when we talk about present, because we have options here, do or does. So I give a clear, simple tip or trick to understand. Third person singular ends with s ending letter. So does. So for he, she, it, we are supposed to pick does. He does, she does, it does. But for remaining things, I, you, we, they, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we need to pick do. Clear? That is for do, that is among do, does, did. Now let us go with have forms. Has, have, had. Had is reserved for past again. So whatever the subject is, if it is the condition past, we go with had. Now has or have. Again, has ascending letters. And remaining all, have. Now coming to present helping verbs, that is, am, are. Now B forms, 5 B forms, is, am, are. Let us understand that these 3 are present These two are past. Is, am are present. Was, were are past. So now in present case, if is, am are, which one you are supposed to pick? For am, for I am. Remaining you, we, you, they are. And he, she, it is. If it is past, was, including am, remaining all were. Okay. So this is present, do forms, have forms, be forms, subject. Based on the subject, we need to pick suitable verb. Now, when your question is like, why does, it indicates that present. We are talking about present. So, you are supposed to give the answer in present. Suppose you wrote like the question. Let me 1 minute. Yes, you wrote the question like this. Why did Raven open his book? Now check this. Did is past. Your question is in past form. So your answer must be in past form, like Raven opened. Okay, you are not supposed to use here open because the question is in past form. Since the question is in past form, you are supposed to use throughout the answer only past form. Raven opened his beak to sing for the fox. Why does Raven open his beak? Then Raven opens his beak to sing a song for the fox. Okay.